Welcome to our latest video where we will be reviewing the top 5 best power strips of 2024. As technology advances, so does the need for efficient and reliable power strips. We've done the research and are excited to share our findings with you. We'll be diving into detailed reviews, discussing their features, pros, and cons. And here's a teaser: one of these power strips has a feature that is a game changer in the industry. Intrigued? Stay tuned till the end. For more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, check the links in the description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more content. Let's get started. Number 5. The BESTEK 8-outlet 6-foot extension cord surge protector. Number 4. The Tessan flat plug extension cord power strip. Number 3. The Amazon Basics 8-outlet surge protector power strip. Number 2. The Belkin surge protector power strip. Number 1. The APC Surge Protector power strip.